Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. I just decided to re-record this intro video because the first one was pretty bad looking and I couldn't start the channel off like that in good faith. So I'm here re-recording and I think I missed a couple things on the first one. I'm gonna go over a couple things and kind of tell you what's coming up and what the channel's about. So this is, for me, my new 2024 Tesla Model Y Performance. I got it used. It had 36,000 miles on it. It's in very good condition. I was actually surprised. And even the battery has good retention. It's at 89%, and I now have 46,000 miles or so on it. It's been on 3 major road trips. Oh, just locked. And has done beautifully. I absolutely love this car. So I'm going to go over some of the things that are on it, take you on the inside, kind of get you an idea that when I do my videos, what they're going to be like and what they're going to use. So first up, I put on, and you really can't see it, but I have PPF on both headlights. These are clear. I did just order a set of photochromic smoke black headlight film for both sides, so in the daylight they'll go to black and at night they'll stay clear. I haven't installed them yet. I'm sitting at the house. I'm actually going to make a video about this separately, but yeah, we'll get to that. In the front I have the removable grill guards, which obviously need cleaning. I haven't done that. I have not clearly washed this car in any real detailed fashion to do the video. I found a good spot. It was a nice day out, so I figured, yeah, let's come out here and make a film. So I debadged the front as well. That took a fair bit of work. I was a little bit surprised. I'm doing a little bit of paint correction and then a ceramic coating eventually. On the sides, I have 19-inch cross-flow wheels, and in here I have little silicone lug nut covers just to kind of keep the whole black theme rather than having the only chrome part of the car being those. So it kind of keeps a nice theme going. I like that. The handles, I have stick-on, I don't know if you can see it, there we go, carbon fiber trim for the handles on all of them. I like that part, not vinyl. They're actually real carbon fiber with adhesive back, so that was good. Oh, shoot. It looks like I lost one somewhere. I didn't see that till just now. Oh, man. Well, who knows? They were cheap. I might just buy another set. It's all right. That's funny. On the back, now it came with this carbon fiber spoiler and the black overlay for the badging. There is the original chrome underneath it. They just have this on. I didn't bother with it. I kind of straightened up a little bit. And I swapped from the chrome dual badge and the red underscore to all black to kind of keep the theme going here. Nothing done with the taillights and nothing on this side of the car. Let me take you over to here. And this is one of my favorite parts. I don't care. I've gotten so many giggles out of that, you would not believe it. It's crazy. I like that. I don't know that I'm going to change this. I kind of like that. I might see if I can get this, but put the word fancy right above it. So if you know what that means, you know what that's a reference from, let me know in the comments, because we say it at home all the time now. All right. Let's go ahead and look in the trunk area. Show you what I got back here. All right. So the original owner had a set of foam mats, and they're throughout the car. So there's the one for the trunk, and there's one for each of the sidewells down here, and in the bottom down here. Now under here, I have cleaning supplies, sunshade, detailing stuff, extra clips for the sunroof, for the sunshade on the upper glass, tire kit, stuff like that. That's kind of where I keep all my stuff for that in there. This is a wet towel I have to eventually pull out, but I did spend a lot of time cleaning the carpet. The only things I don't like, obviously, are, well, they've got, I don't know what they had in here, but it kind of like marred up the back seat. Yeah, it's superficial, whatever. Just kind of, I'm an OCD guy. All the windows are tinted, including the front windshield, just not the roof glass. I'll point that out. All right. In the back, not a lot going. I have the little floor mats. Here I have my 3-point suction mount for the GoPro, which will go up here. It goes in the front of this 2-part sunshade here. It goes up here, and then the camera hangs down kind of where my right shoulder is. And that's how I get the view for FSD. So it kind of look similar to this, more or less. That way I get the outside, because I don't have an external camera. I'm only using an internal right now. Neck pillow, gel cooling. If you're wondering, I've been through a few of these to find one that I thought was really good. This kind is a honeycomb gel on the inside with the fabric on the outside. This one, I really like it. It's very lightweight. It works really well. There's that. Nothing else fancy in the back. The inside pockets have the drop-in cup holders. All right, now for the fancy stuff. This is what everyone else wants to see. Geez, I need to clean that. That was bad. All right, let's see what we got here. Phone holder goes on the vent, and this can be put anywhere across the vent. I really like that. I think I'm going to get another one for my passenger, so they have something they can do around that side. I've got some stuff kind of crammed in here, nothing great. And same thing within here. I don't have any of the drop-in trays, and I don't have the one that goes under here. I just like having the open space to put stuff. And in case you're wondering, I am a Monster guy, but I am now trying Lucky Energy. This stuff's actually pretty good. Just not a sponsor, but I'd try that. Stuff's pretty good. I haven't done anything with the steering wheel. They did have a cover on it. I took it off. I just wanted the wheel itself. I didn't see the point in the cover. It just made it super thick and absurdly hard to work with. As for the screen, I do have the full tilt, left, right, up, down. I forget where I bought it. I think it was Tessery. If I can go back and find my receipt, I'll look it up, put the link, and I'll try to put the link in the description for you. Some things to note here. What's this? Because it's getting a little warm in here. Let me turn the fan down so you can hear me without all the extra wind noise. So, I currently have I like it, little Batman wrap on here. So, as far as software, we are, here we are. So we're at 2026, 2.9.10, and 14.3.2 for FSD. This is currently the version where, and I will point this out because I'm going to make a test on it. These guys, yes, you wear these and it thinks you're looking forward in this version, 14.3.2. I've used these on road trips where I just want to lay my head back for 5 minutes and not have to be nagged about anything and let it drive, and it works. Now, I don't think it will work with the new software update. I will know soon enough because I have it available, and I have purposely not installed it. I've had it waiting here for about 2 days. I'm waiting to install it because I want to do some other testing and stuff on this version first and get some B-roll so that I can do comparisons and other things when the update does install. Now, I'm going on another road trip in about 3.5 weeks, and I think for that road trip, I'm going to install this new version. I want to test out, so I've already been on a long one. It was about 1,300 miles, and on this version, it was very good. On the new version, I'm going even farther than that. It's going to be about a 3,600 mile round trip. and I want to see what it's like on the new software. And you get the better visualizations for, you know, the park screen and all that, which is always cool, right? That's still playing in the background. But yeah, other than that, as far as self-driving, this is, yes, I got a strikeout, and it wasn't because of the glasses, I will mention. I literally I thought I looked away for like 10 seconds, and I don't even remember hearing the audio cue, and it just immediately went from flashing blue with no audio to take over immediately, and by that time the strikeout had already recorded. Like, it was instantaneous. Like, it skipped the entire part where it tells you, hey, you need to pay attention for a minute. It didn't even do that. So, I don't know. Whatever. It'll drop off. It's fine. But this is my FSD stats. On longer road trips, I do use FSD. For shorter trips, I really don't. If it's in town, I like to drive myself. I got the performance model. I'm going to use the performance. If you use FSD the entire time, your car's never going to use the power that it has. So you're just kind of, you know, if you got a performance model and you have like 99% FSD, you're wasting a whole bunch of car. So yeah, I like to drive, you know, be spirited, have fun, you know, kids in the back. You do a little pull out from a traffic light and you just see their grins go from ear to ear. It's the best thing in the world. So, yes. I will do that at some point. I'll probably spend the next week or so getting some B-roll and stuff on that. As far as other things here in the car, I really don't have any. I just noticed the other day, I still have the plastic for the mirrors that's still on there. The original owner never took it off. I didn't take it off. I don't see the point, so I leave it on. This screen cover is pretty nice. It's kind of a pain to get in, but I do like that I can take it off in halves. So if the back passengers still want cover, cool, just take off the front, and I can leave the back on and add my suction mount for the camera here, and I'm not just roasting the whole car the whole time I'm trying to take video. So, yeah, other than that, that's really about it for this car. I haven't done a whole lot else to it at the moment. I am working on things. But I do want to say this is not going to be a purely FSD review channel. I'd like to do product reviews and other things, edge cases for FSD and things like that maybe people have questions about, or they've always wondered, you know, what happens if you're not in FSD with a destination and you just tell FSD to go. Where does it go? Does it always choose the same path? Does it have a destination in mind? Will it try to take you home? You know, that kind of thing. Little things that I'm always curious about. And the first time I will find out about them is when I record for those videos. So, yeah. With that, guys, community driven. Let me know what you'd like to see. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Thanks for coming by. See you soon.